Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to remove green screen on CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. As you can see, I already import my video in CapCut, and I'll play it. So then you will see it's a video, not a picture. As you can see in this video, a dog is running randomly in green background. So how are you going to remove it? The first thing is, select the video and take a look on the right side of your computer screen. Here you can see the option Basic, Cutout, Mask. From these options, tap on this option, Cutout. Once you tap on it, here is the option. Chroma key, enable this option. Color picker from here, tap on this pencil icon, and select the color by tapping on this green screen. Then the color will be selected. Here is the option Strength. Increase the strength, and then you will see the green screen is start removing. If you increase it fully, then the green screen will disappear. And here is the option Shadow. If you see shadows in video, then also increase it, and then shadow will disappear also. So it was the fundamental way by which you can remove green screen in CapCut.